And what I mean by sharing game is like giving y'all advices, giving y'all tips, giving y'all motivation, and giving y'all whatever else it is that I can give. I'm going to show you guys how to make money. So what I mean by showing you guys how to make money, you can do this in anywhere, any part of your town, I don't care. Welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. What is up with y'all today, man? What is up? What is up? What is up? Today I feel good. Today I definitely feel good. Today I'm back on the camera. And I don't know why I repeat everything. I don't know, maybe because I feel good. But today we finna make a very interesting vlog, man. You know, I'm always good. I always feel good with sharing game. And what I mean by sharing game is like giving y'all advices, giving y'all tips, giving y'all motivation, and giving y'all whatever else it is that I can give. So I don't know. Lately I was gonna say with my YouTube, I've been appreciated with it. I've been very appreciated with it. And you know, like I said, it don't take much for me. But before we get into this channel, before we get into this vlog, actually, this video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know. And today, we're doing something great. And what I mean by great that we is, I'm going to show you guys how to make money. So what I mean by showing you guys how to make money, you can do this in anywhere, any part of your town, I don't care. I'm gonna show y'all a way that there is no excuse. There's really no excuse at what y'all can do to make money. And you know, sometimes you can say that yes, it's a skill, but anytime there is a skill, there is no excuse that anybody can learn a skill. There is no different from me than you. There is no different from you than me. I don't care if you have billions of dollars and you have $0. There is no difference in what you can do that where you can elevate, or anywhere just, you know, to save hard times. And I does this a lot to save hard times. And today I feel like this is a good reason for me to show you guys how to make money. Easy little money. This is not going to do no, oh, I gotta go get a job and this and that. This could be on your little side hustle or whatever. But the reason why I'm showing this, because today I actually noticed that I left my wallet at a friend's house. And I actually don't have any cash on me at all. Not 1 cent. Probably the only money I have is the money in my ashtray, and that is it. But what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show that I gotta go do a job, which is replacing a window regulator inside of a car. And I think the car is like a Honda or something like that. Not for sure, don't quote me, but I gotta go change the window regulator. It's something so easy. Make a quick 60 bucks. And you know, this is gonna hold me until I get my wallet back, because my wallet is at his house and he's at work, so you know I can't get into his house to get my wallet. So this is just something, you know, I just had stacked up in my books that someone was just saying, hey, I've been needing this done, you know, I got the time to do it, and plus I need the money because I don't have it right now. I have $0. But I'm about to go over here and show y'all. I'm gonna go over here and do this, show y'all how simple it is, show y'all that this is no excuse for you. For the one that you watching this video, man, this is really no excuse, man. Don't feel like you can't do that. Get off the couch, quit looking at TV. Sports ain't paying you. Okay, if you playing the little bid where you bet on FanDuel and all that, yeah, blah, blah, but don't depend on that, man. Get hands-on with something, man. Put your mind to something. Get out here, create something. I was just watching one of my favorite YouTubers was Life with Corey. He said everything that you look at, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna explain it again for what he said. Life with Corey, this is a hell of motivation what you said, because I'm gonna post this on my story feed. But everything you look at, if you look around, you look all around. I mean by the cars, lights, streets, stores, whatever it is, you can see. He said it was basically somebody that created this. Somebody put their mind to it and said, hey, I'm gonna create this. In some way, I'm gonna be financially paid from it. So it's like, is you gonna be the creator, or are you just gonna be the user? Or are you just gonna be the person that's just gonna fund whatever the person create? So it's nothing wrong with funding what someone else created, because you know we all gotta live. But at the same time, you can be a creator where somebody has to fund something to you off of something that they have to live, something they just have to use, or it's just for somebody else's entertainment. So, you know, always just be a product of what you can receive out of the community, the world. You're here for a reason. So look at it like that. But besides that, I think I got enough time. I know I gotta go pick up my son. I might pick him up first and head over here to knock this out. But you know, that's all what I'm basing on what it is. But today, yeah, I'm finna show you guys how to make money, man. And this ain't just one of them. This is just a skill that I have, you know, for me, buying and selling cars, fixing my own cars, and this is a skill I just developed, and just knowing how to be hands-on and handy with things. And you wouldn't be surprised, man. Y'all might want to look into being handy. Like, if y'all feel that y'all can look on TikTok and do all this stuff and learn other stuff that's a trend, why it gotta be a trend for something that you want to learn that everybody else is doing? So being handy pays. If you're very handy, it pays, because somebody always needs somebody that's handy. So that's always a good thing. Y'all need to look into that, because you can't holler at you about money, but the things that can show you how to make money right on the spot, in your city, in your area, in your whatever, wherever you at, like, that's about money. So it ain't nothing wrong with being handy and, you know, making a few extra dollars, because, you know, I want all money. But I'm finna get up over here. Make sure y'all stay locked in. Picking up my son first, and I'm finna go ahead and give y'all the game and show y'all hands on. All right, fall back, man. Son, where you going? This way. This way. You had fun in school? Did you? You got your hoodie on and everything. You double hoodied up. Come on, get over here. Get on this side of the street.
That's a monster truck, Dad.
That's a monster truck? That's a van to me. Now, that's your monster truck. That's my son monster. What you gonna do? walk past your monster truck? You gotta get in it.
That's right.
Get in your monster truck.
That's right, Dad.
Yeah. Let me show you a grave digger. Show you a grave digger.
It had a white tire.
Ooh, yeah.
Be careful.
You gotta show them all around. Let's see the top of the grave digger. That's monster truck. That's my son, grave digger. He loves monster trucks, so that's one of his hobbies right there.
Green.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, we back at it, y'all. Y'all want to know what time it is? Y'all really want to know what time it is? It is gas pump time. Yeah, man, we back at it again with the gas pump, getting some mother in gas. My truck forever need gas. Hey, I'm the type of person that only puts enough gas just to go do what I gotta do. Let me know if that's y'all. Comment down below. I put enough gas just for enough for me. What I need to do, I need to start putting more gas in there, you know, start filling it up. But hey, almost 200 piece ain't nothing nice. But other than that, where my phone at? We gotta call this lady. We gotta call her so we can get to it. Picked up my son, got everything else organized, and got it done. But stay tuned, man. We finna get to this and show y'all how this done, how to get this moolah in y'all pockets. If y'all wanna know how to get this moolah, y'all gotta stay tuned. For real, for real. And if I get a lot of good views off of this, Hello, how's it going, Miss Michelle?
Hey, son.
You at home?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'm just getting some gas and I'll be there like in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay.
So yeah, y'all just heard that, man. So stay tuned if y'all want to learn how to get this money in y'all pockets, man, at any means necessary. And that's what it's about. So let's get over there and get to it, all right?
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all. So I finally made it over here. Grabbing my tools up out of here. You always want to ride around with tools. So if you want to do these type of things, like I said, everybody ain't got to do these type of things to make money. There's other ways to make money that you can just make money in your town, but this is one of mine. And if you feel like you're a very handy person and this is right up your alley or something you want to get into and try, something simple, you do with that, man. Showing y'all how it's done. But I grab my toolbox. I'm gonna go set this down over here.
Want me moving into the driveway?
No, it's fine right here. Alright, y'all. Finally made it here. So what I'm basically doing is, when I say that I'm replacing the window regulator, let me show y'all what it is. And for the ones that's watching, this is not no tutorial video. I'm not showing how to do this. I'm just letting you know a simple way, a process, how y'all can make money. Where, like I said, to put a couple dollars in y'all pocket. So I'm not showing how to do this. So if y'all want to look up how to do something like this, please look up a tutorial on how to do this. This is just my way of my hustle. Y'all can look into it's a window regulator. This is a window regulator that shows how not shows this, what makes your window go up and down. So I'm gonna install this into there. It's all the process that I'm gonna show y'all. So let me go ahead and start busting this thing down. Alright, y'all. Let's finally do the final test. Turn the key on. The window wasn't working at first that y'all seen. That's the old motor right there. So let's press the button. What's happening then? What is really happening? See? Easy work, man. Just fix the window. Like I said, y'all, it's not no tutorial. I'm not showing no tutorial. I'm just showing the way, man, for y'all, for my people out there. Showing my people, which is when I say my people, I just don't mean, African American folks. This is for all people, man. To show y'all how y'all can make some easy, quick money. Y'all seen that I did it. It wasn't no excuses. I might be a little familiar with it, but it's not that hard. It don't take a rocket scientist. It don't take a GED diploma or no degree to do this. But just finished that job up, so you know what time it is. It's time to go get that moolah. Yeah. Let's see that big jump right there. I ain't even put my hair up. You see, I got a hair tie. All right, y'all. Y'all see that I finished the job. The job is done, and y'all can see that I made 1, 2, 3, $60, man, off that little job by putting in a little simple window. They pay for the part, and all you just the guy that installed it. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. And for the people that's new that's watching this is actually a vlog. So if you watch my other channels, check out my other channels. You know, I do daily vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, man. You know, I'm just living, and I love it that I'm just living, and I'm showing y'all how I'm living. And you know, while I'm living, you know, I'm giving game and sharing a little bit of things. But much as that, I can just say I'm blessed, and I want to give a great quote for y'all today is be blessed by the simple things. And I think I said something like this before, and I just said something a little different, that what I was appreciative of. So I'm just gonna say what today that I'm appreciative of, just the simple things. I just want to just thank God for things like me, you know, me waking up, which is everyone should thank God for that. You know, another simple thing, just that, you know, to inhale and exhale air automatically. This ain't something that I get up and wish for. This is something that we not get up and wish for. That is not a goal to inhale and exhale air. So God already got that taken care of. Those are the things you got to be appreciative of. You know, for me having a stable mind, you know, just to think creative ways, you know, and just not negativity, just mindful of positive things. You know, I'm not too much trying to preach, but I'm just letting y'all know, just be blessed by the simple things. Just don't wait till you get something and be like, hey, God has blessed me. Even if it's your goal, yeah, God has blessed me. You know, thank God for the things that he just automatically take care of. You know, the things of your eyes, you can see, you can blink, you can hear. You know, you can just have all of your fingers, things that you just naturally supposed to be with, and you operating it, and you know, in the average way. But besides that, man, I'm not gonna stretch this vlog any too much longer. This is a weird turn right here because I don't have no light in front of me, and it's just over there. So I'm gonna cut these people off because I got to get through here, and there's traffic over there. But other than that, man, if y'all new to this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all posts and notification. Comment down below. And if you know the slang, you got a vision, you a part of the game. All right, G1.